Hello friend, this is your accountancy lecture. Question number 5. From the following transaction, prepare cash and bank column under cash book of Riddhi. In our previous lecture, we have seen simple cash book and cash book contain two columns, cash and discount. Today's topic is two columnar cash book included cash and bank columns. Okay. So this is a performa of cash book of Riddhi for May 2015 for two columns, cash and bank, both side cash and bank. This is debit side date, particular or receipt number, ledger folio number, cash, bank. Next, date, particular, payments, voucher number, ledger folio number, cash and bank column. Okay, this is debit side and this is credit side of this cash book. Contain two columns of each side of debit and credit, cash column and bank column. Okay student, this is a performa of cash book, contain two columns of each side, cash column and bank column. So let's start the question. 2015 May 1st, opening cash balance rupees 4,000 and opening bank balance rupees 6,000. Listen student, opening balance of cash account and bank account is always debit side. Okay, so start with debit side. 2015 May 1st, 2015 May 1st, to opening balance brought down in cash column 4,000, in bank column 6,000. Understood? In cash column 4,000 and bank column 6,000. Next, goods of rupees 5,000 sold to Monica at 10% trade discount. Monica issued check for the necessary amount which is immediately deposited in the bank. Goods is for 5,000 after allowing 10% trade discount. So 5,000 minus 500 is trade discount. Net amount is 4,500. This is selling process, means our income, our receipt. To sales account, being Monica issued check, so it is recorded in bank column 4,500 क्योंकि मोनिका ने चेक दिया है. Next, rupees 2,000 paid towards salary and 100 paid towards brokerage by cash. These both transactions are for payment transactions, so it is recorded on credit side of cash book. 2015 May 4 by salary account on same date by brokerage. Salary 2,000 and brokerage 100, being this payment done by cash, so it is recorded in cash column. Next entry, rupees 3,000 withdrawn from the bank for personal use. Personal use, where it can be recorded. Rupees 3,000 withdrawn from the bank for personal use. Personal expense is also expense for business. जो भी personal expense होता है वो भी business के लिए expense होता है. And all the expenses are recorded in credit side of cash book. So withdrawn from the personal use is called drawing account and it is recorded in by drawing account. In bank column 3,000. Okay. Next entry, goods of rupees 6,000 sold to Hiren. Hiren paid 4,000 by cash and remaining amount is paid by check which is deposited in the bank. This is selling process, so it is recorded in credit debit side. On 10th May, to sales account, 6,000 is the principal amount. Out of 6,400 by cash, so in cash column 4,000 and rest of amount 2,000 is recorded in bank. Because Hiren gives 4,000 in cash and remaining amount by check. So remaining amount is 2,000. It is paid by check by Hiren. 12th May, goods of rupees 5,000 purchased and the amount is paid by check. Purchase, so it is recorded in credit side. Go to credit side of cash book. By purchase account, amount is paid by check. So in bank column write 5,000. Okay. 17th May, soap rent of rupees 2,000 paid by check. By soap rent account, amount is 2,000 paid by check. Okay. Goods of rupees 4,500 purchased in cash at 10% rate discount. 4,500 minus 450, this is the net amount purchased. So by purchase account, amount paid by cash 4,050. Karisma has paid rupees 2,550 by cash towards her debt. Karisma has paid means we received to Karisma account. To Karisma account, amount is 2,550 by cash. Atma Kalyani has been paid rupees 1,200 towards full settlement of an old account. Atma Kalyani has been paid. Been का यूज हुआ है, मीन्स इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. मतलब आत्म कल्याणी ने हमें नहीं, वी पेड टू आत्म कल्याणी. आत्म कल्याणी नॉट पेड अस, बट वी पेड आत्म कल्याणी. सो इट इज रिकॉर्डेड इन पेमेंट साइड बाय आत्म कल्याणी अकाउंट. आत्म कल्याणी 1,200